my white homies, this your girl Alethea, and I'm coming in with another video. This is going to be a quick little haul, and today is Christmas, and I'm getting ready to go to Bae's house because that's where Christmas dinner is, Pumpkin and I. And yes, I just wanted to come in and make this quick video. So the first things I'm going to show you are my candles I got from Bath and Body Works. Normally, and y'all got a piece of peppermint in the corner of my jaw, so ignore that. But normally when I do my Bath and Body Works $8.95 candles, because you know they used to be $8, then they took them to $8.95. But normally when I would buy those candles, I would do at least 2 or 3 transactions because I would have a few more coupons, because I love to have a coupon. I had 2 coupons, and one of them was my mom's, and she took it like she was going to use it, and she lost the freaking coupon. With that being said, only did 1 transaction, so I only got 5 candles. So here are the candles I got. Bergamot Waters. This is one of those scents that I've had before. Smells almost like a man's cologne to me, but not 100%, but it's a really, really good scent. I like this in the bathroom. Next one I got is actually a new scent to me, and it's called Mineral Springs. And this one also kind of smells almost like men's cologne. I don't know what it is with me and men's cologne. I love the smell of men's cologne. Some of them, I mean, smell really, really good. It's not too strong. It's not too light. It's almost like one of those unisex smells. But yeah, so that I was about to say that cologne, that candle. The next one I got is the Black Cherry Merlot. This one has been around for a while, and I've never gotten the candle, but I decided to get the candle because by the time I made it to the store, the selection was like not all the way there, and some of those scents, some of those new fragrances were like, ugh, they didn't smell so good to me. The next one is Eucalyptus Mint, and this one this is one of the ones also that just went all over my lip right there, all over my lip. But this is another one that I kind of got for the bathroom because I like these type of relaxing scents that I can use when I'm, you know, in the jets. And the last one I got, don't tell me I did that. Okay. So why do I have 2 eucalyptus mints? This was not intentional. This one is blue and this one is white. It's green. The jar is green. And this one is blue. This one says White Barn and this one says Bath and Body Works. How did I do that? How did I do that? How did I do that? Oh well. Alright, and so the next things I have are from Too Faced. So Too Faced had a sale that was 30% off, and y'all already know, I mean, in the Born This Way foundation has pretty much knocked my other foundations out of the box. So my Butter Pecan, you know, you can see the little lines. This one is almost gone. I have a little bit more left in there. But right now I'm using Brulee because that is my color. This one is not gone, but I went ahead since they had 30% off and I purchased another Brulee because this is going to last me throughout the winter months. So I'm not going to open it up because we already know what the box looks like. And then I did get another concealer in the color Warm Sand, and I already have a backup of the concealer in the color Warm Sand. Isn't that something? But let me tell y'all what happened. See, as they would say, what happened was the next day they had extended the 30% off. So I decided I wanted to try the color Sand, and I ordered the color Sand. And y'all know the here's the container that the concealer comes in, and these are like the biggest concealers that I've had. This concealer, this is the first one I got from them, and I'm just now starting to kind of scrape around the sides. I'm gonna look back to see when I first ordered this because this has lasted me a good wow, and I'm still using it. It's not totally dry yet, so I'm gonna get all that I can out of this container. So that is what I got from Too Faced. Also from Bath and Body Works, I did get this lotion because you know how Bath and Body Works has the coupon. They had the coupon that I could use $10 off of 40, I think it was, or 30. $10 off of 35, some whatever. And then I used the thing to get the a lotion free, and this scent is Champagne Toast. Alright, and the next things I did get are from MAC. Now let me tell y'all how funny this is. MAC had their sprays, the Fix Plus mini sprays, and this is a big one that I have that is almost gone. But they had the mini sprays for $12 for 3. So I ordered 2 sets of them. But let me tell y'all, they had gift wrapping for free. So when the box came and I pulled this out, and I'm like, who sent me a gift from MAC? this is gift wrapping. Who did that? And I go in there and I pull the card out, which I put the card in here since then. But I pull the card out, and on the card, here's the funny part. Yeah. On the card it says, to Alethea from me. So anyway, so I sent this to myself. I don't know why I wanted to get the free gift wrapping. So what's in it? Like I said, I have 2 of them. And so I'm going to take both of them out. Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And these are the ones that are scented. So there's 3 in each one. And let me tell y'all what scents are in them. So they won't come off. So you have Fix Plus Plus Rose, Fix Plus Plus Coconut, and Fix Plus Plus Lavender. So that's all 3 of these. And these can come in handy when you're traveling. I don't have anywhere that I'm traveling anytime soon, but these are very travel friendly sizes. And when we went to Vegas, I was able to carry one of these for my makeup, because I use these to kind of like wet my brush, and then I stipple it on my face a little bit to get my face a little bit of extra moisture before I put on my foundation. The next things I got from the Ulta 20% off. They had 20% off again, and yesterday was the last day, which yesterday was Christmas Eve. And one thing that I did get, I got my mom some foundation for Christmas because she wanted some new foundation. But I also purchased, and y'all know this is sad, I think I need rehab, another Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So I'm using one. I have one on backup. I have one at Bae's house, and then I have this one. This stuff is like, this is Bae. This is Bae. So I don't want to run out of this. So I went ahead, 20% off, I bought another one. I bought another, well, I'm saying another because I haven't bought one in a long time, but I used to buy them all the time, and it's the Pro Longwear Paint Pot from MAC, and the color that I do have is Soft Ochre, and I'm going to actually open it up so you can see it. But there it is right there. I did use it today to prime my lid as well as to cut my half crease. But yes, Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And the last thing I did get is a Smashbox Liquid Metal. It says Be Legendary Liquid Metal. It's a lip gloss, lipstick, lip gloss, whatever you're going to call it. I actually have it on right now, and the color that I have is Crimson Chrome. And what made me purchase this, because I usually buy just liquid lipsticks because I'm in love with liquid lipsticks. But I met a friend of Bae's, and her name is Laquita. She's also a subscriber of mine, which I didn't know that. But she's also a subscriber of mine. And when we went to dinner, she had this color on, and it was so, so pretty on her. And when I first got it, well, when I went into MAC, when I went into Ulta and I purchased it, it was the last one on the shelf. So I figured it was meant to be. And then I put it on, and I was like, wait, it doesn't fit me, because y'all don't know, but I'm lighter than her. And so when I saw it on myself, I'm like, this doesn't look so good on me. But then I was like, wait, yeah, I think it'll, you know, work out, you know, once I do a little something. But at first I thought it wasn't going to fit me, but this is like a gorgeous color, and it's super creamy. And here's what the applicator looks like. And even though I have it on, I'm going to swatch it on my hand. It's just so pretty. It is such a pretty color. So yeah, and let me, I'm telling y'all, I'm loving this, and my lips feel super duper ultra moisturized. So yeah, that is like, this is bomb. This is bomb. This is Bae. This is new Bae. So anyway, that is it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here so we can go and spend some time with Bae and just enjoy the rest of this day. This video will probably be up tomorrow. My plan was to have a video up today, but I'm not going to even worry about editing. I record it, I'll edit and upload it tomorrow. And yeah, so please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And I do hope you have a Merry Christmas. So by the time this comes up, I hope you had a Merry Christmas. And I'm wishing you a Happy New Year and many blessings. And until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe. And I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.